Verwood Club site in the New Forest is an ideal base to explore the many sandy beaches along the south coast of Dorset. Bournemouth is just a half-hour drive from Verwood Club site and boasts many enjoyable attractions. Meanwhile, visitors to nearby Poole Quay can sail off on a boat trip around the harbour itself. If it's golden sand you're after, head to Hengistbury Head near Christchurch, which is well known for its sandy beach and colourful beach huts. On the headland facing it is Mudderford Quay, a popular spot for the fun pastime of crabbing. Further west along the coast is the Studland Peninsula, which is owned by the National Trust. It offers more beautiful beaches, and at its tip is Shell Bay, which is well known for its dunes. Many people arrive at Shell Bay via the short ferry crossing from Sandbanks on the opposite side of Poole Harbour. Shell Bay is also a good spot to sit back, relax, and watch sea vessels come and go into the harbour. Our Verwood Club site is just a short drive from the New Forest National Park. Visitors will be enchanted by the New Forest's wild ponies, glades, heathland and ancient woodlands. There are miles of well-marked forest trails to explore on foot or by bike, plus pretty tucked-away villages to discover, complete with pubs to provide excellent refreshment stops. Speaking of refreshment stops, much closer to our Verwood Club site is the Albion pub, a popular stop for campers. If you want to enjoy a spot of glamping on your next camping trip, you'll be pleased to know Verwood Club site features Ready Camp tents, the club's stylish safari-style accommodation. Fans of Peppa Pig will love the nearby attraction dedicated to this children's character, Peppa Pig World. There is a range of rides on offer, plus the chance to meet Peppa Pig herself and all her fun friends. Whatever you like doing on your camping holidays, Verwood is wonderfully placed to enjoy a wide range of scenery and attractions in the beautiful Dorset countryside and along its coastline.